Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to delete a message for everyone in Telegram. So first of all, go ahead and into your app, so Google Play. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to just go ahead and type Telegram, and you're going to double check if your Telegram app needs to be updated. If it does, just go ahead and do it, and if it doesn't, just move along to the next step. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to just go ahead to my browser, right? And if you want to delete message for both sides on Telegram, you can always delete any message that you send or receive for both sides in any one-on-one conversation. In groups, it's still your own message only. You can also clear the entire chat history on both ends. On Telegram, deleted messages do not leave a mark in the chat. So basically, I'm gonna go back to my screen, and I'm gonna just go ahead into my Telegram app, basically, right? And if I wanted to delete a message for everyone, I'm gonna just go ahead, lots of example, this chat, right? I'm gonna hold right here. I'm gonna just go ahead and delete for everyone, and no one will know that I sent that message. But if we are speaking about group, you will need it still remains your own message, but everyone will be able to see it. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.